In this video, I'm going to show you how to review motion detected recorded footage on the OSI Smart Wi-Fi Mini PTZ camera. First, select the icon on the bottom left that looks like two lines and an arrow on the right side. Select Messages on the bottom left. Just above the first motion detected image that displays the image, date, and time, select All. To review footage from a specific day, select Today to view the calendar. Then choose the specific date you wish to retrieve motion detection footage. On this page, you can see all the events that happened for the day. If you select All at the top again, you can further filter down what you are looking for by pressing the type of events, such as motion detected or human detection. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for. I'll select human detection. By looking at the different thumbnails as you see here, you can find the specific event that you were looking for. To play back the footage, just select View above the image. To record a specific part of the footage, just select the video camera icon to start recording. To stop recording, press the video camera icon again. To take a screenshot while viewing the video, press the camera icon. To view recorded footage or screen captures, select the back arrow button twice, then select Features. Then click on the Gallery button, which is located right beside the Playback button. This is the gallery full of images. The images that show the length of time on it are videos we just recorded, and the images without the time on it are the screen captures. As you can see, the images at the top are the most recent video and images I took. So if I select the image that has a time on it, you could see that it's a 5-second video which I just recorded. Now select the Back button, and then select the image with no time on it. You will see that it's the screen capture I had just taken. This concludes the playback tutorial for the OSI Wi-Fi Video Doorbell AC Wired.